Yes, good morning, everyone. Welcome for our RTL online trainings and placements. Myself, this is Chandra. I'm here to take a Oracle Fusion Cloud HCM demo sessions. We are going to have 3 demo sessions today, tomorrow, and Wednesday. We are going to have 3 demo sessions. After completion of these 3 demo sessions, the regular classes will be started from 17th onwards. It's a continuation process. So in these 3 demo sessions, we are going to discuss what is Oracle Fusion Cloud, what are the different modules we have in human capital management, and what exactly we are going to cover in our training. And then what are the latest changes we got in the cloud environment, like Redwood pages, artificial intelligence. And also very first time we are going to cover the complete full stack of Oracle Fusion Cloud HCM. What is meant by full stack of HCM? And very first time we have introduced 100% fees refund from our institution, training and placement. That also we are going to discuss on the third demo session. I request everyone, please attend all the 3 demo sessions to know more about the training sessions as well as the placements point of view, as well as the complete full stack, why we are going to learn. Why do we need to learn the entire full stack of cloud HCM? What is the reason? Earlier, it was okay for few modules. Now, why we need to learn the complete full stack of the product? That's what we are going to discuss. Practically, we are going to discuss, and I'm going to take some project scenarios and execute tomorrow and day after tomorrow, different assignments, so that you will come to know the importance of the technology, whether you are able to understand or you are interesting about the product. Based on that, you can take a decision for the enrollment. As I said, from Thursday onwards, you will have the regular classes. So when you attend these 3 sessions fully, then you will be able to understand the complete scenario of the Oracle Fusion Cloud HCM. Okay. So once the topic is completed, I'll ask you for the doubts. You can note it down if you have any doubts. You can unmute yourself and ask me for the doubts so that I'll go for clarifying. Okay. So before that, I'll just give an introduction about RTL online trainings. We established RTL online trainings in 2005. It's 20 years. Initially, we started with Oracle ERPs. In 2015, we got this Oracle Fusion Cloud into the market. The moment when Oracle introduced this Oracle Fusion Cloud, we are in this industry, especially in the training and placement point of view. Okay, so we are providing the complete trainings and placements from here for both freshers as well as for the experienced consultants. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll start with first from the basics. Maybe it takes 5-10 minutes time to understand the basics. What is cloud? Why the companies are looking for the cloud environments. In the cloud, again, we got artificial intelligence. Why do we require it? Where exactly we have to learn the AI for the cloud? And then human capital management point of view, what modules we have to learn. That's what we are going to discuss. It will be very basic things. In 10 minutes, we can understand. So first we'll understand what is cloud. Cloud is nothing but a virtual server. Virtual server. So clients, whenever they are running the business, whenever any client running some business to maintain their day-to-day transactions. For example, ICICI Bank is there. What is this client? Banking client. They are belongs to banking industry. Day to day, they will be having financial transactions, customers' deposits, withdrawals, loans, and other financial transactions will be there, fixed deposits, maintaining day-to-day transactions. Let's say they have around 300 branches. They have total 300 branches. In every branch, let's say there are 50 employees are working. In every branch, there are 50 employees are working. It means all more than 50,000 employees. More than 50,000 employees. Sorry, 15,000 employees. More than 15,000 employees are working. So what these employees will do, every day they'll come to office. Whatever the business they are running day to day, that information they are going to enter in the applications. They are going to use the software, either one application or multiple software applications. They are going to enter day-to-day business transactions in the applications. So whatever the data they are entering, 15,000 employees are there. Even if one employee create one record per day, it will be 15,000 transactions per day. You can just imagine per week, per month, per year, how many transactions will be there? Millions of transactions, right? Every month, every quarter, every year. So we have to maintain all this data. So earlier what happened, this ICICI Bank used to maintain their own server. We call it as on-premises. We call it as on-premises. They used to hire the team, DBA team, and they used to hire admin team and network team. They used to buy the server and they'll have a separate server room in headquarters or somewhere, wherever it's flexible, and they maintain the complete data in their own servers. That's what we call it as on-premises. It was so cost expensive, and then it is complex, and it will be difficult to use some of the cloud applications. Nowadays, the product-based companies, whatever the products or tools they are developing, they are not giving outside. Either Microsoft company or Oracle company or Google or AWS or Salesforce or SAP. So IBM. So what these companies are doing is they are developing the tools and products. Earlier, if you want to buy some software from some company, you will pay the amount, buy the licensed software and install in your server and start using it. You start using it. It means you are going to buy the licensed software, install in your server, means in your laptop or in your server, whatever. So that was on premises, whatever we are using so far. But now the clients are looking for cloud environment due to these reasons. Due to these reasons, even product-based companies also, they started building the cloud-based products as well as the tools. If you ask Microsoft company, you developed some tool, I want to use that tool. Can I go for download the software and install in my server? No. You have to subscribe to my cloud called Azure and start use that product. And then once you develop any applications or something, then you can go for export the data and import the data. I'm not giving on premises. You have to subscribe it. You have to subscribe, and there is a flexibility for you. For it, it will be more benefit for the customer. That's what the companies are saying. It's not only the Microsoft company. Any software company nowadays, they are building the cloud applications. In fact, clients are also asking, I am looking for the cloud type of application. I'm not looking for, on-premise. On-premise means again I have to install the software and I have to recruit the team who will take care of that. It is expensive, time taking, and also every quarter or every year or every 2 years I have to upgrade to the latest version. If I started using old version, maybe the company will not support for that old versions. So this all I don't want. So everything should be taken by your company only, because I'm buying your product, right? You should be ready to migrate to the latest versions, 24 by 7, you have to take care of the server. This all you have to do that. So that's what the companies are expecting nowadays. That's why most of the companies are looking for cloud environments nowadays. If any sales representative are going to say that we have developed a product, here it is, and we are going to say that it is going to be mentioned, here it is, then it's going to be available. Just 1 minute, guys. I'm sorry, someone facing a problem for joining into the meeting. Okay. So that's the reason the companies are looking for the cloud environment nowadays. So if any sales executive go to the client location saying that we developed this tool or we developed this product, it will be helpful for your business day to day like this. The first question the clients are asking, is it cloud-based software or is it on-premises software? If it is cloud-based, we are interested because we can buy the subscription or license. We call it as another word, subscription nowadays, if it is for cloud-based. We can simply subscribe and start using the application. If we don't feel flexible, we can leave. So why do we need to go with again installation, recruit the team, maintain the security? These all things are difficult for us, right? That's why the people are looking for the cloud environment nowadays. So earlier it was on premises, now it is most of the projects are into the cloud. But at the same time, some clients will talk about the security point of view and all due to some business policies from their company point of view. They may not move completely to the cloud. They will say that we maintain our own servers on premises as well as we also use the cloud, both. Okay. So it's up to the client whether they want to move the complete IT infrastructure from on premises to server cloud, or some of the applications they will maintain in their software, means in their server. Some of the applications they'll be using in the cloud environment, and they will have the integrations between that. We call it as cloud, hybrid cloud. That is also is okay possible. Nowadays, the most of the clients we are going for that way also. Okay. So that's the scenarios or architecture we are going to have at this point of time. In future, it is going to be more about the cloud. So when we say cloud, what are the different companies are there in the cloud business who are providing this cloud services? We have AWS, Amazon Web Services. We have Azure, Microsoft Azure, Microsoft company. And then we have Google Cloud. Then we have Oracle Cloud. Then we have other small and medium sized companies. Of course, that's not in the top level, but majorly, if we talk about the products, cloud companies across the world, this four we have. Across the world, we have this four: AWS, Azure, Google, and then Oracle. These four companies. AWS started their business in 2006, cloud business. Even Azure also sometime 2006. Somewhere Oracle started in 2015. Very late compared to other cloud companies. Three companies, very late. In 2015, Oracle entered into the cloud market. Means 10 years back. Okay. So any company, so what these companies are telling to the customers, why do you take a risk to maintain all your IT infrastructure, buying the servers, recruiting the DBA team, admin team, network team, install the softwares and maintenance 24 by 7. When the new version comes again, migrate to the latest versions. Instead of doing all this work on your own, we take care of that entire work. We have established the data centers. So what these companies will do is they'll go for establish the data centers. What is meant by data centers? So data center is having the high configuration servers. There will be a high configuration servers available with cloud technology. with cloud technology. So all these companies, what they do is business. They will establish the data centers across the world by establishing the high-end servers, and the customers can move their softwares into this data centers and start using the servers on rental basis. Then how the ICICI Bank employees will connect to Oracle servers, or how ICICI Bank employees will connect to Microsoft Azure servers. Let's say Oracle has established two data centers in India. One is in Mumbai, another one is in Hyderabad. In 2000, Oracle established one data center in Mumbai. In 2000, sorry, not 2000, 2020, 2020, and 2021, they have established another data center in Hyderabad. Okay. So all these employees, whenever they come to office, they will be connecting through internet. Through internet, they are going to enter the URL, and then they'll go for connect to the Oracle servers. Like this, they are going to enter the URL and then connect. It's as simple as, even if client is having their own server, how the employees will come to office every day and connect. They log into the system and then they go for enter the URL or IP address, and they enter username and password, and then they'll go for log into the applications and start data entry, right? The same way, even Oracle servers also. Oracle will provide some URL for the customers and then credentials so that employees will log into the applications and start entering the day-to-day transactions. So this information will not be stored in the local machine, whatever you enter in the applications, because it's a cloud-based application, right? Cloud-based application means it will be stored in the cloud, means indirectly Oracle, if it is Oracle product, Oracle servers. Okay. Earlier, what happened? Our servers used to there in the headquarters, company headquarters, or somewhere in the server room. Our team used to manage all this. But now Oracle is managing the servers in data centers, Oracle or Google or Azure or AWS. Now we have to pay just rent and you start using those particular servers. Start using those particular servers. That's how the cloud business will happen. It's as simple as giving the rental basis process to the customers. So the this companies has established the data centers. AWS, I think, around 50 data centers across the world. Azure company established around 48. Google also 49 something. Oracle 42 or something established. They have established data centers across the world. So why we need to establish the data centers across the world for these companies is, local clients generally they will not prefer if they say that the data center is there somewhere in other country. For example, ICICI Bank purely they run the business in India, right? So when they run the business in India, obviously they feel that my data also should be stored in India data centers. If you say I have a data center in California, and whatever the data we are entering every day, complete day-to-day business transactions are stored in the California data center. If something goes wrong, then I need to legally fight in California, not in Hyderabad, right? Or in Bangalore or in India, right? That's the reason what this companies has done is to attract the customers locally. Then they establish data centers in the local region. So then obviously every company policies will allow, okay, company has established data centers in India. As we are doing business in India, instead of maintaining our servers, we can easily move to the cloud. We can start using their data centers. We can start using their servers and pay the rental amount instead of maintaining our own servers. Because if you manage your own server, for example, you want to buy a server, it may take some 3 crores INR. Then the same server, same configuration, 24 by 7, maintained by Oracle, will give per month 1 lakh rent. You have to pay 1 lakh rent. If you go for agreement with 5 years, around 70,000 rupees per month you will get rental. Same server, if you want to buy, it's a cost of 3 crores. Even if you buy the server, again you have to recruit the team, DBA team. They will go for install the softwares. They have to maintain the application 24 by 7, everything. But those all things will be done by Oracle, right? Oracle will take care of it. Oracle is responsible to make sure that every application is up in the server. So that's the reason the clients are looking for the cloud environment. So it's not only the server rental purpose. At this point of time, what we understood is, okay, if we are going to maintain our own server, it is expensive and complex security issues and all, and it will be difficult to maintain separate IT team and recruitment and everything. It is difficult. Then instead of doing all these things, some companies has established the data centers in our in our country. Okay, we'll take it on rental based servers and start using it. That's what so far we understood here, right? It's not only the servers rental basis giving. There are some different tools and products provided by the cloud-based companies, tools and products. Okay, if our Oracle salesperson goes to client and discuss, we have established data center in Mumbai. We are ready to provide our servers on rental basis. Why don't you use our servers on rental basis? Client may or may not be interested because I'm not bothering about the cost and expensive and other things. Uh, because of security reasons and all, I may not be interested if you say just only server and rental. But in these servers, there are different tools and products which you don't get outside. You don't get outside. Those tools and products are completely cloud based. If any client says that I will pay the money, I will buy your software and download that licensed software into my server and install in my server and I'll start using it. No, we are not providing that service. If you want to use the tool and product, you should come to my cloud. First, you are a customer to my cloud, then start using my tools and products. Earlier it was not like that. You like some reporting tool, okay, pay the money, depends on the number of users license, take the licensed software, install your server, and start using your employees. Depends on the number of employees usage, you are going to pay the license cost to the company, right? But now it's not like that. Almost all the companies have started building the cloud-based applications. In fact, customers are asking, if you have cloud-based tool, we are ready to use it. And, don't tell that you have to install and go for use in your server. It is very long process and we are not interested. Okay. So here, that's what. It's not only the only giving the servers on rental basis per month or per year or for 5 years. It's not just for storage. There are different tools and products which will be helpful for your business, which you don't get outside. Definitely, you should come to my cloud and start using those applications and as well as the tools. When it comes to the Oracle point of view, what are the different tools and products Oracle developed in the cloud? Means in the servers, in the Oracle servers. The first one is Oracle database. Oracle database is a cloud-based now. And then we have Oracle NetSuite ERP software. Then we have Oracle Fusion Applications ERP software. Then Oracle OICS tool, Oracle Integration Cloud Services. We call it as integration tool. Then Oracle VBCS, Visual Builder Cloud Services. It's front end UI design. Then we have JCS, Java Cloud Services. It's programming, API development. Here it is. Then Oracle Analytics Cloud, analytics tool. And BI, Business Intelligence. It is a reporting tool. Then EPM, Enterprise Performance Management. It is a finance business tool. Then we have Smart View. It's again reporting tool. lot of other tools and products are there, but these are major tools and products. Okay. So if client become customer for the Oracle Cloud, then they can start using these tools and products. But again, it depends on the number of users and the tool which you are using. Based on that, you have to pay the money and start using. For example, client says that, no, I am not interested on your tools and products. I don't like using. Maybe I don't require those tools and products for my business. I developed my own applications. I developed my own applications by using Java or .NET applications or any other web applications. Okay, I have already developed some products. I just need only your server on rental. That's what we call it as a cloud access. Okay. Then Oracle will give it. Okay, no problem. You pay the money only for server rental basis and start using your tools. No problem. Your team can install in my server and start using it. So server 24 by 7, it will be on. Don't worry about the server. I'll give the access to your DBA team, and instead of taking care of your server, then you can move to the server. We'll provide the services. Okay. So that's what actually the cloud business will happen. So if client is interested after some time, okay, I'm interested in this ERP software, or I'm interested to build some analytics, so I can start using this tool like that. So they can go for enroll and then they subscribe and then start using that tool. So that's how the cloud business is happening at this point of time. Yeah. Is clear, everybody? Any doubts here, please? So far, whatever we discussed. Oh, why the customers are looking for cloud environment nowadays, and what is the reason behind that? Yeah, no doubts.
No.
Yeah, great. So now we are moving into the next. What is mean by Oracle? What is mean by Oracle Fusion applications? What is mean by Oracle applications, ERP software? Now we are going to talk about this. Now, so far what we said is, okay, cloud means indirectly it is data centers having the servers and tools and products. Okay, now let's say ICSA client is interested about Oracle Fusion applications, ERP software. First, we discuss what is meant by ERP tool. ERP stands for Enterprise Resource Planning. Enterprise Resource Planning Package. Enterprise Resource Package. Enterprise Resource Package or application or software. We also call it as ERP software. If any client is doing some business, let's say a bank is doing the business, what business they are doing? Banking business they are doing. What they do, they maintain their day-to-day business transactions, nothing but financial transactions. And they also buy some of the goods and some of the services, they will buy it and they will sell the things to the customers and all. Supply chain management. They have thousands of employees to maintain their data. HCM is required. CRM, customer relationship management. When you say some software is going to be useful to maintain your accounts data, your procurement and sales and inventory data, and maintaining your employee salaries, employee leaves, employee management, and also taking care of your customer relationship, nothing but your call center information. One software is solving all these issues, then we call that software as a ERP. For example, Tally is there. Most of the people knows about Tally. Tally is okay, good, uh, but it will be useful to maintain only your accounting information. It's excellent to maintain your accounts. But if I want to maintain my procurement, my inventory, manufacturing, as well as the sales and then employees, employee leaves, employee salaries, my customer relationship, no, we don't have that much functionality. Maybe some basic might be there, but not extensive. So I can't say that it is full-fledged ERP software. Okay. So ERP software means it should be usable to maintain your complete enterprise. Now ICICI Bank is one of the enterprise, banking enterprise. They are running the business. We have to maintain their entire resource in a proper format. When I say resource, their day-to-day business information, their employees, their suppliers, their customers, and their internal banking and other day-to-day business data, we have to maintain in a proper planning. In a single software, we have to maintain all this information day to day in a proper format. That's what we call it as a ERP software. This is required for every customer, and every customer should maintain this ERP software. That's why there won't be any recession effect for the ERP applications. Always it will be there. Maybe earlier, for example, per day, 10 jobs were generating. Maybe if completely market is down, 3 jobs will be generated. There is no question of zero market for the ERP softwares because this is mandatory for every client. If some client says that no, I don't want this ERP software because my business is down, I am not interested to use the ERP softwares, means indirectly they closed the company. They are not using ERP. Maybe if they don't interested Oracle, they may be interested SAP. No problem. Some ERP application client should use it. For example, there is some AI tool. If my business is good, expensive, it's expanding, and now I'm interested to use the AI tool and take a best decisions. If my business is not up to the mark, what I'll do is I'll postpone that. No, now I am not interested to use it. We'll see it later, no problem, right? So that is not mandatory for my business. Using the AI tool, using the data science project, using some reporting tool, using some analytics tool, using some backup, using some mobile application tool. So these all are additional things, but ERP is a mandatory for every business. Without ERP maintenance, no chance. Nowadays, even the small schools also started using the ERP softwares, but of course not the big ERPs. Excuse me. Some local ERPs are required because they want to maintain their complete business information in a single software. That's what we call it as a ERP software. So there are number of ERP products available in the market. What are the different types of ERP products we have? What are the different types or different competitors we have? SAP is there. Oracle e-business suite. Oracle e-business suite. Old version. Oracle EBS. Then Salesforce. Then Workday. Then Microsoft Dynamics. Then Oracle Fusion applications. There might be some small ERPs. For example, Oracle also developed another ERP called NetSuite. It's a small ERP. If there is any client who are having business 3,000 employees, 4,000 employees, they prefer NetSuite. Small product, not for the big one. You don't find a lot of features over here, but it's okay. You can manage all your data. NetSuite. But these are the major, excuse me, major across the world, big clients, medium clients also will start using this ERP softwares. So Oracle has got a lot of ERP products. Not only this, what Oracle company has done is they developed Oracle EBS in 1996. In 1996, they developed Oracle ERP software. Even SAP also, it was there since 1996. Both are competitors. Then what Oracle has done in 2004, they acquired PeopleSoft, they acquired JD Edwards, they acquired another company, Siebel. All these three are ERP softwares only. I have not written here because all these three are merged in 2004, 2005, around 20 years back. Now still some clients are using these products, PeopleSoft, JD Edwards and Siebel, but those companies are merged with Oracle. Now Oracle is giving the support for those customers. If some clients are using these applications, Oracle is providing the support for them. So if any client says that now I am interested to use the PeopleSoft software, what Oracle is telling, we are not selling now. So what you can do is you can start using this Fusion applications, latest or the current old one, whatever Oracle EBS we have. Okay. So these many ERPs are with Oracle. These three merging companies ERPs, 4 and 5, another one is there, 6. 6 ERP products are there. But finally, what Oracle is telling, this is going to be my next generation ERP software. No more EBS after some time, maybe after 10 years, Oracle says that 2035, up to 2035, I give the support for EBS clients, customers. And of course, by that time, majority of the customers, even if you are ready to give the support, but majority of the customers should adopt the cloud technology to get benefited. Otherwise, your competitor will go for use this product and they'll be providing the better services and they'll be able to analyze their business better than you. So definitely you are supposed to use that latest software, as simple as we can say, because the old ERP is not compatible for the cloud. It is not compatible for 100% cloud. It is not compatible for analytics. You can do analysis, but you cannot apply the analytics. Analysis means, for example, manager comes today office and I want to know what is the business last week. That's analysis. And manager is sitting today and is asking what will be the business in the next week or next quarter. That is analytics. If you want to predict the future, you have to use the analytics. If you want to know what happened past, then you have to run the reports. That's what analysis. So analysis, yes, you will find in everywhere, in every tool, every product. But analytics, you will find only in some tools. That also AI analytics, artificial intelligence analytics means that itself, system itself will read your business, how you are doing, and then it will predict and it will go for alert. It will alert you. This will happen if you go like this. You can change here like this. So that's why analytics are important. So then mobility. Mobility is nothing but they want to use this software. Some of the employees, out of 15,000 employees, some people will use the smartphone, some people will use the tabs, some people will use the desktop. But your product, your software should be compatible for all the three devices. I should be in a position to open in any of these devices and start doing the entry, data entry or update or analysis, whatever. That's what we call it as mobility. And social sites integration. I would like to easily exchange the information between the applications. We call it as an integrations as well as public integrations. Okay, so these four are nowadays very important. Almost every client is expecting these features from your software, but which you don't find 100% in Oracle EBS. That's why Oracle developed Fusion applications in 2015, right from the scratch. You see Microsoft, they have only one ERP software. You see Workday, one ERP, Salesforce, one ERP, SAP, only one ERP. But Oracle has got their own ERP since 1996. They acquired three ERP companies, and also they have the latest one, Oracle Fusion applications. But finally, what Oracle is telling, this is the next generation ERP which you find in the world, across the world. It has got vast business features, including the financial, supply chain, human capital, CRM, ORC, PPM, healthcare, public sector, all the domains, everything is available in the Fusion. That's what Oracle says. And in fact, we have the products and clients started using that since 2015. Okay. So now we see that different competitors here. Finally, the major competitor for Oracle Fusion is SAP. SAP is the major competitor in the market. But now SAP is not in the cloud business actually. For example, your client is telling ICICI Bank, your client is telling, I'm running the business from 2000, means last 25 years. I have my own applications. I'm using some web applications and I'm using some .NET applications and some tools. And I have some data backup. This all. Now I'm interested to come to the cloud, but I don't want to close my applications. I'll move all these applications to your cloud, means your servers, and also I'll subscribe to your tools. I'll subscribe to some of your tools and start using that tools also. It means I want to both. In that scenario, SAP says that no, I cannot provide that type of architecture. SAP says that I cannot provide because SAP is not a cloud-based company. SAP is not a cloud-based company. SAP says that I am ready to provide ERP software only in the cloud. If you say my applications also I will move into your servers, no, I don't have that option. I don't have that option. So SAP says that no, you cannot use my servers to maintain your applications because I am not a cloud company. I'm not giving cloud. I don't have data centers. I'm using some data centers to maintain my server, my software. You can use my software, no problem, as in cloud based, but no. But what Oracle says that I'm purely cloud based company. I'm providing the servers and rental. You are interested to use only your softwares in my server, no problem. Just to subscribe to my cloud and take server on rental basis, install all your applications and start using, no problem. I'm not recommending to use my applications to you. It's up to your requirement. But SAP is no more in that business. So what I can say, SAP is one of the ERP company. But Oracle is a cloud and ERP company. That's what I can say. Of course, a lot of other tools are there, but I'm not going in that way. I'm just telling you the business scenario, how it looks like. If any client says that I am interested in this model, I am already using some applications. I'm flexible with that. I'm ready to move all these applications to your cloud. And also, I want to use your ERP software. SAP says, no, this won't work out. You can use my ERP software as a cloud, but if you move all your applications to my cloud, no, I'm not in that business. Giving the servers on rental basis, maintain the server 24 by 7. No, I'm not in that business. Then Oracle says, yes, I'm in that business only. You can use my ERP software and you can upload all your applications to my servers and you can use integration tools and you can maintain the data exchange between the applications. No problem. That's what Oracle says. Okay. So that's why going forward, I don't think so. I personally feel SAP is not at all a competitor for Fusion. Remaining all, of course, Salesforce, Workday, all are not that much. Salesforce is okay in CRM and Workday is okay in human capital management, good competitor. Dynamics is not up to the mark. Okay, it's there in some of the areas, but not the fully. The major competitor is an SAP. But Oracle Fusion Applications has got all the features, including the Redwood UI, including artificial intelligence. Recently, Oracle has given 75% discount to the US federal agencies. You can find it in Google. Oracle Federal Agency. So Oracle will offer federal agencies a 75% discount on its license-based technologies. OCI stands for Oracle Cloud Infrastructure, indirectly Oracle Cloud, through November 2025. So there will be a huge market going forward. 75% discount Oracle is giving for the US federal agencies. Obviously, when they offer some discount to the government sector, definitely the private sector also will expect the same thing. That will happen next level. They may be interested to give it for others also, definitely. It is. You can also spend some time, and so it will improve the business. People will start migrating to this and start using the applications. All this, here it is. Yeah, fine. So this is about the applications point of view. Here it is. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So now we are going to talk about Oracle Fusion applications. Now exactly we entered into the our product. So far whatever we discussed is what is meant by cloud, what are different cloud companies are there in the market, why the companies are required cloud, why don't they maintain their own server, and how these cloud companies are providing the cloud services to the customers through the data centers, configuration of high-end servers with cloud technology. And any cloud company, it's not only giving the servers on rental basis, they'll go for established different tools and products, right? So you can start using that. And then who are the competitors for our ERP software? We have seen what is meant by ERP, what are different domains we will find, different ERP applications available, who are the competitors, and what is the importance of Oracle Fusion applications ERP software. Okay, so here now people used to talk about Oracle ERP, Oracle Cloud ERP, Oracle Fusion ERP. These all are same. Finally, it is a Fusion Applications ERP software. It is a Fusion Applications ERP software. We are going to have it. It is a Fusion Applications ERP software. So when we say Fusion Applications is one of the ERP tool, definitely there will be a Fusion Finance. There will be a Fusion HCM. There will be a Fusion Supply Chain Management. There will be a Fusion CRM, Fusion PPM, Fusion ORC. We see Fusion Public Sector. We find all these domains. There will be a financial modules, there will be a HCM modules, there will be a supply chain, CRM modules and all. But famous is two. One is finance, another one is human capital. These two are famous because every client is required the financial modules. Every client required HR modules to maintain their employees. If client says that I have more than 4,000 employees, definitely they need a HCM software to maintain those employees' information, right? That now we are talking about human capital management. We are talking about the human capital management software. So in human capital management, we have total 8 modules: global HR module, payroll module, absence management module, absence management, talent management, then compensation, then benefits, then time and labor, then Oracle Recruitment Cloud. This global HR, payroll, absence, talent management, benefits, compensation, time and labor, and words. This is what we call it as a Oracle Fusion Applications HCM full stack. When I say full stack, all the modules, all the modules. Global HR module is used to maintain the employee information. So I have 5,000 employees. When they joined in the company, Who is the manager? What is their job? What is their grade, position, which location they are working, which department, transfers, terminations, joins, new hirings, pending workers, canceling relationships, and rehiring process, pending the termination. This all things comes under global HR. I have to pay the salary end of the day, end of the week, or end of the month, right? We have to run the payroll. We have to calculate, right? So it will be difficult to manage the payroll salaries information. So I use the payroll software, payroll module. Absence managements are nothing but a leave management. Every employee, when join in the company will provide some paid leaves. Every year, I'm allocating 18 days leaves. Every month, 1.5 day. So if you work first month, you will get 1.5 day. You work second month, you will get another 1.5. Total 3 days. Like that, you are going to get the information here. Like that, you are going to get the information. Here it is. So different tools and agreements, different enrollments, terms and conditions we are going to have in absence management. So it's a management of the leave. Talent management is basically manage the employee talent, managing the employee talent. So you are going to maintain the goals and profile and other information that we are going to have. For example, employee joined in the company today, and I'll capture, okay, what are certifications you have done, what is your education, what is your language, what is your competency at this point of time. End of the year, manager is going to give the appraisals, and manager will ask the employee, at the time of joining, you did these certifications. Last 1 year, you are working with this company. Other than working with the company, what you have improved yourself? What are other innovations or certifications or trainings or awards you have achieved last 1 year? This all information I want to maintain. So this will improve the employee skills. If employee skills upgraded, definitely it will be useful for the organization. They can utilize those skills, right? That's what talent management. Compensation. So other than the salaries, employees also getting some of the compensations like overtime or spot bonus. Some of the things will be paid and compensation, allocating the shares or stocks. That's what this model. Next, benefits model is basically when employee join in the organization, other than the salary, other than the compensation, they'll be getting benefits indirectly. When I say benefits indirectly, for example, if you join in this company, you can enroll into this insurance plan. It will be helpful for your entire family. Because of this company, you have to pay per year, let's say $500 per year. If you are not an employee of this company, same plan, if you want to enroll in outside, it will be $5,000. So that's a benefit, right? Because of you are an employee of this company. As long as you are an employee of this company, you can start coverage. That's a benefit. For example, you join in this company and we are giving you a vehicle loan. You can buy a car without interest. The company will pay the amount. You don't need to pay the interest, just whatever the amount is there, that as long as you are company employee, then company will bear it. That is a benefit, right? So these type of benefit plans will be providing to the employees so that the employees will be sticking with the organization and the productivity also will be more. And the productivity also, it will be more. Here it is. Okay. Next, time and labor. Time and labor is as simple as when you have some 15,000 employees or 10,000 employees or 1 lakh employees. Every day, whatever 8 hours employees are work, hourly wise or daily based, what work they have done, what they have analyzed, who is the reporting manager, which client they have worked. It's indirectly timesheet. It's mandatory. Every company required timesheet and it should be approved by the manager. Manager should approve the timesheet. Okay, and then based on the timesheet also, some companies will release the salaries here. And ORC means it's a recruitment. When I have the big organization, if I want to maintain my only job portal, I would like to maintain. For example, 100 employees, 100 employees are working. 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 If we want to download the profiles and search, generally what we do, we go to Naukri and search and get the profiles, right? So I will publish my jobs. You might have seen, like if you go to Wipro, there will be a careers, right? So like that. For example, if I go to JP Morgan careers, this is what we call it as what's Oracle Recruitment Cloud. Indirectly, JP Morgan company has given their own job portal. So the candidates can see what are the different jobs are there in this JP Morgan, and they can go for apply for the jobs through this. If they are not having any suitable jobs here, they can join in the network of JP Morgan, not as an employee, as a candidate. They'll be getting the job alerts from that company. So JP Morgan has implemented this software, so it will be helpful. It is also one of the module maintenance. This is what we call it as WARS, Recruitment Cloud. Okay. So when you learn all these modules, then it is a full stack. We call it as full stack. In all these modules, there is a Redwood implemented by Oracle, Redwood UI, and also artificial intelligence, AI is implemented. Some of the modules we don't have AI. Mainly AI we see in ORC, talent management, and in global HR. Other areas we see the AI. Redwood, almost every module they have implemented Redwood. It's not a complex actually, Redwood. So that's an UI, user interface. You will find excellent navigations and smart pages for capturing your information and all. Okay. So here, the training we are providing from RTL online trainings since 2015. Last 10 years, we are providing the trainings. You can see our YouTube channel also. You will see the content since how long we are into this, the quality of the training what we are providing. So far, only 4 modules. Not only the RTL, other institutions also the 4 modules we used to provide: global HR, payroll, options, and talent management. That's very quite common. Most of the requirements are coming in these 4 modules. Generally, it's fine learning these 4 modules. It takes the 2 months time. And of course, we have to learn in all these 4 modules, Redwood as well as the AI also. Wherever the Redwood is implemented, how to enable and how to disable, how to customize, how to personalize, how to migrate, that we have to learn. Same thing where exactly AI is there and how to use that AI. Development of AI is different. For that, there is separate AI studio. Oracle introduced another studio, AI studio. There you can build the AI agents and then go for publish that agents and then use it. But building the agent is not a problem. You can have a good technical person, he can start building the agent. But you have to analyze the business. The client is doing some business last 25 years, and this client is doing the business last 25 years. Where I can apply my artificial intelligence? Yes, in this area, you are doing the work repeatedly, and we have to go for, we have to go for apply the AI, right? Artificial intelligence. So that's a big story that is required for very high-end people. We don't require actually. When I say high-end, delivery heads or architects who will be analyzing the business and identify, yes, this area AI agents can be applied like that. But we are going to learn wherever Oracle has already applied. Because as a functional consultant, when you are attending for interview, they'll ask you, in talent management, can you tell me what are all the places Oracle provided AI feature? Then we should learn. We should learn how to use. Yes, while creating the goal, if you just enter the goal name, system will automatically identify about that goal and get the information. Right. Those all we have to learn. Yeah. It will be very simple, not much complex. Don't worry about that. It is. Now I am coming to the next point. What about these four modules? What about these four modules? Because nowadays, if you go to LinkedIn, they'll say, I'm looking for a consultant who is good in global HR, options management, OTL. So your profile is 70% suitable for this job because you know global HR, you know options management. You don't have even basic knowledge about OTL, so they cannot consider. Or I'm looking for global HR, compensation, and payroll. This is also 70% your profile because you know global HR, you know payroll, but you don't know the compensation. This type of jobs we are losing. We are losing. Even maybe you are not expert. At least you should have some basic idea. Okay, I can do it. I may not be having experience, but I know you can take interview and discuss with me. If you like it, you can go ahead. Okay. I'm expert in global HR, payroll options and talent. I'm expert. You can take it as an experienced expert level only. But at these four modules, I'm at basic level or expert level or beginner or intermediate or expert level. So if we learn the entire stack, full stack, yes, we cannot leave these jobs also. We'll be in the market with unique skills. Earlier, it was not like that actually. If you see last 1 year, people are asking different combination. Or even once you join in the company, okay, you learned these four modules, you got a job and you joined in the company and they got a requirement benefits module we are going to get next month. In August 15th, we are going to get a project and benefits module. Then if you say, yes, I am ready to take up, you should have some idea, right? Yeah. So that's the reason what Oracle, what we are doing is from the RTL. This is all global HR. It will be our live classes. So whatever the global HR, payroll, options and talent management. It's a regular course. Not only RTL, any other institution also will provide the same. But what RTL is going to provide other than this is compensation module. I'll give you the Udemy course. Online course is already there. Same thing, benefits, time and labor. This. So first you can go for apply with these four modules. Generally it is required in the market and most of the requirements comes from global HR, payroll options and talent management only. But if there's someone asks, okay, do you have any idea about OTL, means time and labor? I already given the videos, right? Once you learn these modules and you are perfect, learning these modules, it won't take much time, but initially I can say not required. Maybe they can ask you, okay, are you good in ORC? It's another 6, 7 hours time, not more than that. You can say my primary skill set is in global HR and options management, and also I know OTL, how to do setups, how to configuration, but not expertise compared to global HR because one consultant, it is difficult to learn more than four modules. It's not possible actually, but it's required for us because we need a job. We need a job with good package. I need a job with minimum nowadays, the packages are minimum 15 lakhs. You go with Oracle Fusion HCM consultant, cloud, minimum 16 lakhs, 15 lakhs is there, up to 25 lakhs when we are applying with 4+ experience. That's the packages they are offering, right? So what we thought is, so these all are going to be live everyday classes, and you are also going to get this compensation, benefits, time and labor, and ORC. This Udemy courses, you know, right? Udemy is one of the online education courses provider. So we have our account over there. We have published that you are going to get free of cost once you enroll into this particular course. You won't get it in any other institution like this option because if you learn the two modules, you are flexible and if you say, I am interested to learn the OTL, again, you cannot join in the courses because it is expensive and all this, right? That's the reason we are providing this. And the another one is once the course is completed, during the course itself, the resume preparation, interview preparation, and then FAQs, courses for all your 4 modules, global HR, payroll, absence management, talent. So there will be a 4 courses. You will see it FAQs that also is a part of our syllabus copy here. So these all are again Udemy courses. 4 Udemy courses you will find here. So this is all you are going to get. Because once you learn a particular module, when you want to prepare for the interviews, what questions they'll ask in the interview. You will be telling the answer. Answer is right, but not professional way of discussion. For example, if they ask us like, can you tell me what are types of employment models we have? 2 types, 2-tier and 3-tier. That's what we answer. That's correct answer. But when you are applying as a 4+ years of experienced consultant or 3+ years or 2+years, the answer they expect is employment model is a combination of 3 components: work relationship, assignments, and employment terms, which we have 2 different types like 2-tier and 3-tier. Will configure at enterprise level, at legal entity level, and legal entity level will be the high priority. So it means you are giving the complete flow. You are not just stopping, okay, oh, actual their question is what are the types of employment models? 2-tier, 3-tier. 2 types only. But you are giving in a less time more information to it. Means you are telling to them that I have the complete idea about this concept. If you want to go to the next level also, I'm interested to discuss. That's what the hint you are giving to the interviewer, right? So those information and all, how to answer the questions and all, I'll be explaining in that, so that you will see that in this courses, that also you are going to get free of cost. So resume preparation and interview preparation is a part of live only. That's what you are going to get it live classes here. Yeah, so that's what full stack about and Redwood and artificial intelligence. So any doubts here, please? So today almost we did entire time theoretically. Tomorrow will be complete practically. Excuse me. So tomorrow we take an assignment and we see how to do that assignment, how to log in. And day after tomorrow also we'll take an practical assignment as per the project and we'll be doing that. So that when we do practically, you will also come to know whether you are able to understand that how to do the setups, how to do the configurations, how to test that particular assignment, how to deliver it, how to migrate it. So this all we'll be doing it so that you will also clear that.
Hi Chandra, this is Shwant, and I would like to know, do we need any pre-knowledge for this course?
Not required actually. We don't need
Uh,
any prerequisitions to learn the Fusion HCM.
okay, so what are the job roles we can expect after this completion of this course?
It's going to be, there are 2 jobs roles. So one is functional consultant, another one is technical consultant. So technical consultant is something code. Technical consultant will find.
So, regarding the technical consultant, what are the
Uh, tech,
modules we are going to cover?
Technical, we are not going to deal actually. Technical,
Mhm.
what we do is we just take care of the basics, how to do the, BI report, how to build one BI report, how to load data, and how to extract one data, and then how to build one analysis, means dashboard, then how to do the personalizations, one personalization, how to do it means like the basic part of that, because our role is mainly functional. We are going to
Okay.
learn 100% functional consultant, And whenever we are applying, says that last 4 years I'm working as functional consultant, definitely they will expect you should have some basic idea technical also, right? Maybe you are not involved technically, but you should have some basic idea, right? So that's what they'll expect, so that we will have the knowledge of the technical.
So I'm working for the past 2 years. I'm working as a technical consultant. So these course will help for me. Do you think this course will help
Yes,
me?
yes, it is required nowadays to become as an functional, means techno-functional here, right?
Mhm.
Yes, that is
Yeah.
required. It will be helpful.
So how many classes we can expect on Redwood and AI?
Or there will be a 2 to 3 classes, not more than that.
Redwood and AI with
Yes, yes.
combination.
That's what I
Okay.
said. Redwood and AI development is different, usage is different. Right now we are using it. How to use, we are discussing. Development will take 2 3 months for development, that learning course. For example, if I want to develop Redwood UI page, what we have to do, we have to learn the tool called VBCS, Visual Builder Cloud Services. This tool we have to learn. If I want to develop artificial intelligence agent, we have to learn the AI Studio. So if I want to learn VBCS perfect, I need 2 months time. That is a technical, including the JavaScript and all. Then why this included in this particular functional courses? Whenever we are going to conduct the workshops to our customers, definitely they will ask, can you tell me as a functional consultant what are the areas we have the Redwood UI and what are the areas AI is there? And even if I go for interview also, they'll ask you, can you tell me you are working in the product, right? What are the AI features, different environment, different use cases? Whatever we have, that we have to explain, that we will be discussing.
Thank you, Chandra.
Yeah.
Yeah, hi Chandra, good morning. Are you going to cover fast formulas?
One example, we'll be doing it in options management, basic. What is first formula structure, and then how to build the first formula in options management.
So
Practically, we'll be doing.
will it be enough to cover the interviews and in
There,
the
see,
job application as well?
there are two things. One is if they are looking for the technical person exclusively on first formula, no, it is not sufficient. If they are looking for, okay, you are a functional guy and you are strong in functional, and also you should have some basic idea about the first formula, yes, it is sufficient.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
Hi. Sorry.
Yes, please.
Hi. Oh, okay. You can. Sorry. Okay, thank you. Hi, sir. Sir, actually, not new to Oracle EBS. Like I have some prior finance knowledge, but this is first time I'm just learning HCM. Can you please, in a minute or so, can you just help understand, like, as per job market, between finance and HCM, preferring HCM or
See,
to
both are equal. I can say that finance also is a good opportunities as well as HCM. I cannot say that finance less and HCM more. So both are same. But HCM has got stabilized. HCM has got a lot of features. When I say 2015, this product came into the market. HCM got first successful human capital management. Later, finance got success, and then supply chain management. CRM is not up to the mark. Still, Salesforce is the number one CRM. And ORC is okay now, number one ORC. So both are equal, finance and HCM, but depends on your interest towards to the domain, then better go for it. But you will find opportunities compared to finance HCM, it will be more only.
okay, like future job opportunities, like both, more for both.
Yes, yes, no problem. HCM also is good.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Hi.
Yes, hi. Tell me.
Hi. Like, can Oracle HCM be learned by like someone without IT background? Because I'm from non-technical background
No
and I want to
problem.
understand.
See, as I said, HCM is not required any technical background or any other features. It is no problem. So today we discussed completely theory, so that's why it may not be, practically you can self judgment. So when you attend tomorrow and day after tomorrow, because next 2 days I'm going to run the complete assignments, right? Practically. So
Okay.
that will be the best option you can go ahead. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. When you
Okay.
attend next
Thank you.
two sessions, you yourself can go for judge assessment.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, guys. Thanks for your time you have spent with me. Let's see you tomorrow on the same time and same meeting. And this demo session you will see in the YouTube channel here. I request everyone, please subscribe for my channel to get the latest news about the cloud and other. We have exclusively for Oracle Fusion Cloud, and we have 40,000 plus subscribers. And you will find a video in couple of hours in this channel. You can get it here. Okay. And let's see you tomorrow, second demo session, where we see the complete practical assignments tomorrow. Okay. Thank you. Thanks for everyone. Let's see you tomorrow.
Hello, sir.
Yeah.
Hello,
Yes, yes.
sir.
Go ahead.
Can I call you personally? Like, I just want to talk 2 minutes.
You can communicate with our admin. They will be discussing. This is our admin number for the queries. They will communicate. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, sure. Thank you.